So last night we made it to Milwaukee. We had dinner with SBC and that whole crew. This morning we just stopped at a coffee shop and got a little bit of work done. Got some plane tickets for Chris, who's going to be working with us in Sturgis. And now we're going to ride over to the dealership, check out what's going on over there, and just have a fun day of riding around on the bikes. We don't really have a game plan, which I'm excited about because who knows where we're going to end up. I know that we'll probably be on Brady Street later tonight, hopefully doing some burnouts and having some fun. Jake's going to do Jake stuff. I also have my buddy Jordan. He was kind of stopping into town last minute to grab some wheels for his car, and I brought my Dyna, so he's going to be able to ride around on that. And yeah, it's going to be a good day. At 95, you know.
Check out his wiring on this one.
I stole the camera from Slick for the day. So we are here at the HD Museum and we are going to go in and see some of the stuff. There seems to be slight the crowd already, so stay tuned. V-Twin Visionary.
What's up?
What do we got going on today, Jeff?
Hey, we're here at the Milwaukee stop of our VTV show series, performance bikes. Hitting pretty big here, fun in the sun, man. I mean, it's a beautiful day out.
All right, so you heard it from Jeff. It's going to be a good day out here today, so make sure to stay tuned.
Yes, sir.
So we are set up. Slick and I have our baggers in here, and as you can see, it's kind of a stacked lineup. Pretty cool color.
Directed us right up behind the building here, like so. If you walk right by the tent right there, down like
Best motor. I mean, come on, man. This bike is so cool and does such rad things, man. It's Jacob Buelo. So let's talk about this bike, sucker.
So it is a 2001 Road Glide. I redid the motor this year. It is a custom-built Nowaskey 124. Freshly powder coated, illusion purple, pineapple cut cylinders, heads by Rick Ward, dark horse bottom end, S&S 124 kit. It is turbo ready, ready for forced induction when I go there.
I love it.
Thanks, my man.
They're good folks, man. They really are. They support
We just wrapped up the V-Twin Visionary show, so Slick and I
Jake wants some hardware.
are now downtown. I did win some hardware, best motor, and so we're gonna go celebrate by Doc's Smokehouse. So see if it's any good.
If I don't eat some food, I'm gonna freaking lose it.
Stay tuned, guys. Yeah.
Not gonna freak out.
Got some barbecue here. So we finished it up here at Doc's Smokehouse here in Milwaukee.
Yep.
Both time for a nap because I am stuffed.
Yeah, that was so good. Would definitely recommend. We got like just one big platter for all of us to just share. It was super good. I would prefer to have a nap, but I don't think that's what's going to happen. I think we're going to go do some riding. I heard some of the local guys are ripping around on the streets, so maybe we'll go try to catch up with them and have some fun and maybe try to burn off some of that because I'm feeling pretty thick now.
I am also feeling
Too
pretty
thick.
thick. Too thick.
So yeah, we'll bring you guys along for the ride.
All right, stay tuned.
Look at my leg.
Oh, yeah.
From that wheelie, I was fucking like cooking.
Yeah, for real.
I was like about to take my foot off the brake, huh?
Hey guys, what's up? It's Jake and we are finally here at Brady Street.
We're a little bit early, so we gotta pace ourselves.
Yes, and
Gonna get lit for sure.
we just got done doing some stunt riding, which will probably be a lot of video right in before this, and got quite a bit of footage.
2-minute long wheelie on the bridge, like right next to the board. My leg, I'm in shorts and my leg is on fire right now.
Let's see that leg. That'd almost be sunburn, except for it's like height burn.
Anyways, it's gonna get pretty wild.
So stay tuned. So, here we go. So much for starting slow. We got Slick getting ready to come out here and tear it up. He said we were gonna pace ourselves. We've been here 10 minutes. I don't think there's any pacing themselves.
My bike's way too hot to do this, but
So much for pacing ourselves.
I'm excited. I see a burnout. I want to do it. morning, everybody.
Morning, everybody. We're on day 462 of Milwaukee Rally. At least it feels like that.
It's only day 3, but last night we went to the bar. I don't drink, and Jake didn't even really drink that much, but we were just yelling at our friends all night, and we kind of lost our voices a little bit, but it was a really, really good time catching up with people. And today I think we're going to get some breakfast and just kind of cruise around, and we're going to leave this afternoon, but we want to try to, you know, make the most out of our time and get around and see some people. So
stay tuned, and we will talk to you later. Hey guys, so here we are, packed and ready to go back. It's been a long weekend, and I know Slick's ready to go.
yeah, what a full weekend. It was really nice to be here and not have to work. We got to talk to a lot of people. I was really surprised by how many people came up and said that they watched the YouTube videos of our bike builds lately.
I did get a lot of people coming up and talking about how they know us from YouTube.
Yeah, that's really weird.
It
but
is really weird.
It was really cool, and that makes me really happy because that's just kind of verifying that we're doing the right thing, you know? So
yeah, so it was an amazing adventure. I'm sure you guys will be checking it all out here. So if you like this video, hit that thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to see more great action like this.
yeah, and if you guys have any questions about anything, as always, give us a call. Sorry, there's a fly buzzing around. We're not crazy.
You might be.
Yeah, I might be. So anyways, yeah, like Jake said, make sure to leave it in the comments if you like these kinds of videos that we're doing. This weekend was a little bit different than what we've ever done. Nick, unfortunately, couldn't be here to film it, so it would be, I feel like, a lot better if Nick was with us. However, he did say, he was like, it is kind of cool because people are just going to see the event from your eyes and your perspective.
Yeah.
So that's kind of cool. Anyways, if you guys like this stuff, make sure that you leave it in the comments. And like Jake said, subscribe, and be sure to check out all the rest of our videos on our channel. Until next time.
Peace out.